Alright everybody, so these are the newest additions to the flock. We have one white leghorn and one gold sex link. We'll be adding more pretty soon, but these here are about a week old or so. Have them about a week. As you see, simple brooder setup. You have a light and a sterilite tub, pine shavings, a little water dish, and their feed bowl. Doesn't require much by the way of maintenance. You get a little poopy in there, of course, and you got to clean it out. These guys right now are just kind of hanging out. You need a light, very important, heat source. Not so much for light, but for heat. They cannot regulate their own body temperature, so therefore they need a supplemental heat source to bring the temperature the first week up to about 95 degrees. And then from there on, every week after that, 5 degrees less, until finally they don't need the heat source. Typically, that's not the typical setup for water, but it works for me. Definitely want to make sure you keep the water clean, because they will walk in it, defecate in it, get shavings in it. So you might want to check that a few times a day. Same thing with the food. As you see, they scratch the food out, and it's simply just medicated chick feed. You can use a medicated chick starter, or you can stick with non-medicated. I like to use the medicated because little chicks can get sick. Right now they're a little shy of the camera. They don't know what this is exactly. It makes them a little nervous. But yeah, so as you see, their feathers are starting to come in quite a bit. Their wing feathers are, for the most part, come all the way in. I'll say about 9 weeks from today, so at about 10 weeks or so, I'll be ready to put them outside, and they'll be able to join the flock pretty soon. But definitely very easy to manage and raise. A lot easier than people think. Like, go for no more than about 20 bucks. Some people use the brooder heat source, which goes down in the bottom down there. Sorry, girls. And they could go under it. It's just like a heat plate that you plug in. But I prefer the light. It just gives them more space in the tub. And then also there's the chick grit that I put in there, and chick scratch. So it's just scratch broken down into smaller pieces for them, which is important. The scratch gives them a variety, and the chick grit helps them break down the food in their digestive system. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward how to brood some chicks. Again, they will grow pretty fast, so eventually I'll probably have to swap them out of this tub. And for now, they're in the house, and pretty soon here they'll be ready to go outside. And all along the way, I'll keep you informed and let everybody see them as they grow. But definitely go on and shake your tail feather. Well then, until next week, guys. Till later. Out.